Today, we're diving into the aftermath of Hurricane Helene, a storm that hit Asheville, North Carolina, leaving a significant mark on this vibrant city. Let's take a look at what life was like before and how the community is recovering after the flood. Before Hurricane Helene struck, Asheville was thriving. Known for its stunning Blue Ridge Mountains, vibrant art scene, and delicious local cuisine, the city was bustling with activity. But as we know, nature can be unpredictable. In September 2024, forecasts warned of Hurricane Helene's approach, predicting heavy rain and strong winds. Residents prepared by stocking up on supplies and securing their homes. Despite the preparation, the impact was still severe. As Helene made landfall, Asheville experienced unprecedented rainfall. Floodwaters rushed through the streets, causing significant damage to homes, businesses, and infrastructure. Emergency services worked tirelessly to assist those in need, rescuing individuals trapped by rising waters. The recovery efforts are in full swing. Local organizations and volunteers have stepped up, assisting those affected by the flood. Cleanup crews are working diligently to restore Asheville to its former glory. Although the road to recovery is long, the spirit of Asheville shines through. Businesses are reopening, and the community is slowly returning to normal. Events are being organized to fundraise and support those still in need. Thank you for joining us as we reflect on the impact of Hurricane Helene on Asheville. If you'd like to help with recovery efforts, check out local organizations like United Way of Asheville and Buncombe County or the Salvation Army of Asheville. Every little bit counts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Comment below and let us know which hidden gem you want to visit next. Until next time, keep exploring beyond the tourist trail.